here. $50 free play. Got Tiffany here. Stacy. And then we're gonna play this one. $50 free play, $5. Let's try, see what we can get. 10 spins. Not, oh, something. So you need 6 of these for the bonus. And then the car, that checkered car, 3 of those gets you some free spins. That guy. 2 more. Yeah, you got it. Free spins. So every time you land one, it gives you 3 chances. Nice. If you fill the entire screen, you get the green. Wouldn't that be fun? Yeah. Let's go. Come on. Save it. Do it. Yes! That's $50. Oh, wow. Come on. Get one right there. I saw the miner go by $2.50. Get it. Oh, come on. Do it right here. Smash. Oh! That's not bad. Oh, pick it up. All these times 5 cents. $150. Yay! Just like that. That's nice. So fun. So now we're at 186.